Hello viewers, this is Gadget Docket. In this electronic era, it is possible to buy many things online, and so is a movie ticket. We need not stand in long queues to buy tickets and watch our favorite heroes on screen. So today we are going to see an Android app that can help you buy movie tickets online using your smartphone. But before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please click the red color subscribe button here and make sure you have subscribed. So let's get into today's video. The app which we are going to see today is Book My Show, which is one of the most popular apps to book movie tickets in India. First of all, let's get into Google Play Store and search for the app Book My Show. BOOKMYSHOW. This is the app. Click and open it. And here you will find an option called Install. Click on it and install the app. I will also give you the direct link to install the app in my description section below. Now let's open the app and see how to use that. Let's select our language first. For our convenience, let me select English. Let's get started. Now we need to sign up. We can sign up using our Facebook or Google option if we have connected them to our mobile phone, or we can just click on sign up. So that you need to give your name, email ID, password and your mobile number and you can sign up. But as of now, let me skip this option. The app has directly captured my location as Salem using the GPS. If you want to change this city, you can just click here and click on change location, and you can search for your city right here. Just for an example, let me search for Chennai. So here is Chennai. Click on it. So the app shows the movies that are currently running in the theaters of Chennai. You can also see the upcoming movies right here. I'm coming back to the current shows right here. You can filter the movies using this option. Click here and you can select the language for filtering. Say for example Tamil, and apply. So now you see the movies only in Tamil. Now let me select this movie Bahubali 2. Here you can see the ratings given by the audience as well as the critics for the movie, and also you can see the synopsis, that is a brief plot of the story as well as the lead cast, the crew and the reviews by the users, which means the audience. These details will help you to decide whether this movie is worth watching or not. Once you decide that you want to go with this movie, you can just click here, book ticket. So this movie is running in 3 languages, namely Tamil, Telugu and Hindi. Let me select Tamil and 2D. So here are the theater details and the timings of the shows, as well as you can select the dates here. Let me select this date, and these are all the theaters. So I am going to select AGS Cinemas and 12:15 PM show. So now it asks about the number of seats. Let me go with 2. If you want to select more, you can select proceed. So it shows the seat details. Those in gray color are already booked. You can see here, those are already sold and which are available. So, and this is the screen. So let me select 2 tickets over here. And pay the amount. Since we have not signed in, we need to give our mobile number as well as the email ID right here. Let me give them. Once you enter those details, you may see the confirmation page right here. So we are booking 2 tickets for Bahubali 2, the conclusion, in AGS Cinemas Srinagar. This 240 is the ticket price, and rupees 69 which we are paying is for internet handling charges. And this Book a Smile is a kind of charity. You may select it or you may not. If you want, you may deselect it. And now proceed with the payment. Pay rupees 311. Now you have been directed to the payment page. Here you have various options to make the payment. If you select debit card or credit card, you need to enter the card details, like the card number, which is a 16-digit number available at the top of your debit or credit card, expiry date, which will be in the form of month/year, which is also available at the top of your card, and the CVV pin, which is a 3-digit number that will be available at the back side of your card, right near the signature section, and the name of the card, which will be available at the top of the card. Please type the name without any spelling errors. Once you do this, this pay option will be activated and you have to click this. Once you click this, your payment will be done as soon as you enter the one-time password that is sent to your mobile number. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Let us know your comments in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to Gadget Docket. Meet you all in the next video.